And we begin this edition with some unfortunate news that's coming in from Saudi Arabia. Many Indian pilgrims are feared dead in a bus crash that happened in Saudi Arabia. The accident took place while the bus was moving to Medina from Mecca. Now, India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that he is saddened by the accident. In a post on social media, the Prime Minister said that his thoughts are with the families who've lost their loved ones, adding that he's praying for the swift recovery of all those injured. Also, India's External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar said that he's deeply shocked by the accident. In a post on social media, he said that the embassy in Riyadh and the consulate in Jeddah were extending fullest support to all the affected families. Following the accident, the Consulate General of India in Jeddah announced that a 24/7 control room and an emergency helpline have been activated, and that is to assist relatives and coordinate emergency response system. Additionally, officials said that they are in touch with Saudi authorities for updates on casualties, injured passengers and hospitalization details as well. And let's go across to Beyond's Assistant Editor for Foreign Affairs, Siddhant Sibal, who's joining us on the broadcast. Siddhant, what is the latest that you're learning from your sources? Any official death toll that is known as of now?
Well, shocking news. India is yet to still give out the details, but it is believed that over 40 Indian pilgrims have died in this incident that happened near Medina. Now, we know that the Indian mission has been actively working to provide support, in fact, immediate support to the victims of this incident. The Indian External Affairs Minister, Dr. S. Jaishankar, the Indian Prime Minister, have expressed their shock and condolences as well, essentially. But this is a developing situation, but indeed a shocking development. We know that many are believed from south of India, and now the focus is also to get more details about them. The Indian mission in Riyadh and the Consulate General in Jeddah both have issued a helpline number and also established a control room to immediately give information regarding this shocking development.
All right, Siddhant, thank you for giving us all those details. We will keep coming back to you for more updates.